Welcome to this multi-camera tutorial for Premiere Pro. Alright guys, today we're in studio and we have three cameras. Camera 1, Camera 2, and Camera 3. Oh, hey, Camera 3. Oh, you're a little bit tight. Would you mind just backing that thing back? Well, come on, just not that much. Just, can you be cool? You cannot be cool. Alright, I'm going to come back to you, work on it, okay? I'm watching you. So what I love about this technique is that it allows you to quickly sync up your audio and video together so you can start editing faster. One thing to note about this technique though is that you have to have audio. So before you begin shooting, make sure to double check your cameras to make sure everything is set correctly. Way to go, 3, I appreciate you. So with multi-camera editing, it's as simple as hitting the buttons 1, 2, and 3. Oh my gosh, 3. What are you doing way over there? Just cut, let's just, come on. Wipe this thing, let's go to this tutorial. All right, so we're right here in Premiere, and the first thing I want to do is bring in my footage. You can do that by clicking here in the bin and just double clicking and selecting your video and hit open. Once your footage is in your bin, just highlight everything and drag and drop it onto your timeline. Next, you want to grab each piece of footage and bring it down below, just like so, and bring this up here and this right here. So you're going to select this and drag it over, and let's drag this one over too. Now, if I zoom in onto the timeline right here, you can see I'm hitting the plus button, that all your audio is not lined up correctly. So we've got our 3 pieces of footage. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this again and right click, and we're going to go down to synchronize right here. So click synchronize and make sure that this audio right here is checked. Sometimes it might be one of these that are checked, but make sure that this is checked and hit OK. Now, this did it automatically. Sometimes Premiere will take a little bit of time just to process everything. The longer the clips, the longer it takes to process. But on this one, it did it pretty quickly. And if I zoom in again, I'm hitting the plus button, you can see that the waves are correct. Everything has been lined up just perfectly for us. The next thing we want to do is go to the beginning right here. And I'm going to, with everything selected, I'm going to hit the Command K button. I'm just going to delete this first part. Next, I'm going to go to the end of it. So I'm going to hit the minus button, and right here, hit the plus one more time. I'm just going to go ahead and trim this up so everything's right. I'm going to hit the Control K, and I'm going to delete this. Great. So next thing we want to do is go to the beginning right here, and I'm just going to hit the backspace button, and that's going to delete that first part of the clip. Lastly, what we want to do is we want to highlight one more time, right click again, and we want to nest the sequence. So I'm going to call this one multi-camera comp. If I can spell multi-camera comp, and hit OK. So last step, this is our last right click. So we're going to click again, right click, and we're going to go to multi-camera and enable. So now we've got all the cameras meshed into one comp. So what we can do now is we can find a cut point. I'm just going to cut right here so you can kind of see the audio right there. So I'm just going to click right there. So hit the Control K button, and I'm going to hit the Command K button, and then I'm going to press the number 2 on this one and see how it magically changes to shot 2. Then I'm going to hit number 3, and it's going to change to 3. So let's say that you wanted this clip right here. So we're going to hit the Control K button one more time. I'm just going to click on it, Control K, Command K, and we're going to hit the number 2 button. So let's say we wanted to move this one over just a little bit. What I can do is the rolling edit tool. So I can hit the end button, and watch this. I can just kind of drag that over and see how that extends automatically. So that'll save you some time as well. Let's recap real fast. First, you want to put all your footage on separate layers on your timeline. Next, you want to go ahead and right click and hit synchronize. From there, you're going to nest your footage together, and then you're going to right click one more time and hit multi-camera and enable. From there, it's as simple as finding your cut points and hitting the buttons 1, 2, and 3. Make sure to use the end button to quickly find your edits. Guys, I love this technique. It's fantastic for weddings, commercial shoots, anything really with more than one camera. But thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate you. And you guys, oh my gosh. 3, what on earth are you doing over there? All right, come see me after this, all right? Thanks for watching, everybody. Appreciate you.